Namaskar Maharashtra. Welcome to the final presentation ceremony of Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League 2025. Before we move ahead, I would like to invite our guests tonight. Rohit Dada Pawar, Honorary President, Maharashtra Cricket Association. Advocate Kamlesh Pisar, Honorary Secretary, Maharashtra Cricket Association. Mr. Santosh Bobde, Honorary Joint Secretary, MCA. Mr. Shubhendra Bhandarkar, MCA Apex Council Member. Mr. Raju Kane, MCA Apex Council Member. Mr. Vinayak Dravid, MCA Apex Council Member and Chairman Technical Committee. Mr. Sunil Mutha, MCA Apex Council Member. Mr. Ranjit Khirid, Apex Council Member, former Ranji Trophy player. Mr. Sushil Shevare, MCA Apex Council Member and Chairman Infrastructure Committee. I would also like to invite Manpreet Uppal, Mudita Uppal, the owners of Pune Warriors, and Riya Jain and Pooja Jain, owners Solapur Smashers. A warm welcome to all the guests. I would also like to invite Kalpana Tapikar, Apex Council Member, Maharashtra Cricket Association. A warm welcome to all the guests. And we are here in the final presentation for the first ever edition of Adani WMPL. And the invincible Pune Warriors beat the Solapur Smashers by just one run to clinch the inaugural Adani WMPL. What a finale, what a season. It's been full of passion, pressure, and pure cricketing brilliance. It's now time to honor the Warriors who made it truly unforgettable. And before we begin with the honors, I would like to request the Honorary President of Maharashtra Cricket Association, Rohit Dada Pawar, to please express his feelings about the wonderful first ever Women's Maharashtra Premier League 2025. Over to you, Rohit Dada.
आज आपण सर्वजण एका इतिहासाला साक्ष केली. महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट असोसिएशनच्या माध्यमातून WMPL जी आपल्या महाराष्ट्रातल्या होतकरू मुली जे मनापासून क्रिकेट खेळतात, सर्वसामान्य कुटुंबातून असताना सुद्धा त्यांचे पालक त्यांना पाठिंबा देत आपल्या महाराष्ट्राचं देशाचं नाव हे मोठे करत आहेत. त्यांच्यासाठी एक सुंदर असं व्यासपीठ अपेक्स बॉडी व महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट असोसिएशनच्या माध्यमातून आज पहिल्यांदाच भारतामध्ये पहिल्यांदा एक चांगलं व्यासपीठ आपण दिलं आणि आज त्याची फायनल, जबरदस्त फायनल ही आपण सर्वांनी बघितली. शेवटच्या बॉलपर्यंत काय होईल हे कोणालाच त्या ठिकाणी माहीत नव्हतं. एकदम चांगल्या वातावरणामध्ये ही टुर्नामेंट झाली आणि जे सर्व स्पेक्टेटर्स आहेत, जे सर्व मॅचेस बघण्यासाठी आलेले लोक आहेत, त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो. 12-12:30 वाजले तरी एवढ्या मोठ्या संख्येने तुम्ही इथं आहात, तुमचं अभिनंदन. कारण का क्रिकेट खेळाडूंमध्ये मोठं असतंच, पण त्याच्याचबरोबर तुम्ही एवढ्या मोठ्या संख्येने इथं आलात, त्यामुळे त्याला एक वेगळं ताकद ही मिळाली. त्यासाठी आपले सर्वांचे अभिनंदन आणि आभार. त्याच्याचबरोबर महाराष्ट्रातले जे सर्व क्रिकेट प्रेमी आहे, ज्यांनी आपल्या या WMPLला पाठिंबा दिला, ताकद दिली, सर्व फ्रँचायझी ओनर्स, त्यांचे मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. आमचे सर्व स्पॉन्सर्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट असोसिएशन, क्लब्स, त्याच्याचबरोबर आज एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात पाऊस होऊनसुद्धा ही मॅच इथं झाली, त्याचं प्रमुख कारण म्हणजे आमचे सगळे ग्राउंड स्टाफ, त्यांचं मी अभिनंदन करतो. त्यामुळे अशा पद्धतीने सर्वांनीच एकत्रित येऊन एक सुंदर असं व्यासपीठ इथं दिलं आणि सगळ्यांनी चांगलं काम केलं, म्हणून आपल्या या होतकरू मुलींना इथं खेळता आलं. आणि नक्कीच याच्यातून अनेक मुली येत्या काळामध्ये IPL त्याच्याचबरोबर इंडियन टीमसाठी खेळतील. त्याच्याचबरोबर BCCIचे आम्ही मनापासून आभार व्यक्त करतो. आणि आजची फायनल पुणे वॉरियर्स विरुद्ध जी सोलापूर स्मॅशर्स झाली, जबरदस्त फायनल झाली. सोलापूर स्मॅशर्स अनफॉर्च्युनेटली सेकंड आलात, पण काही टेन्शन नाही, जबरदस्त टुर्नामेंट तुम्ही खेळलेलात. पुढच्या वर्षी नक्कीच तुम्हाला स्कोप आहे आणि पुणे वॉरियर्स तुम्ही जिंकलात त्यासाठी तुमचे अभिनंदन. सर्व फ्रँचायझी ओनर्स जे आज इथे उपस्थित आहेत त्यांचे आभार, सर्वांचेच मनापासून आभार व्यक्त करतो. आनंदाचा क्षण आहे. तुम्ही आपण सर्वांनी मिळून एक इतिहास हा घडवलेला आहे आणि तो इतिहास घडत असताना आपण सर्वजण साक्षीदार होतो. हे नक्कीच सोनेरी अक्षरामध्ये इतिहासामध्ये लिहिलं जाईल याचा एक आनंद अभिमान अध्यक्ष म्हणून मला आहे. त्यामुळे पुनश्च एकदा सर्वांचेच आभार व्यक्त करतो, अभिनंदन करतो आणि थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय क्रिकेट.
थँक्यू सो मच रोहित दादा. तुम्ही असेच ह्या सर्व क्रिकेटपटूंच्या पाठीशी नेहमी राहाल याची मला खात्री आहे. And now moving ahead in the presentation ceremony, the first ever honors. And we are moving ahead to the Player of the Match award. I will request Mr. Santosh Bobde, Honorary Joint Secretary MCA, to please do the honors. And the Player of the Match award goes to Anuja Patil. Anuja Patil, who scored 30 not out of 21 balls and picked 2 for 30 in 4 overs. Please give it up for the Player of the Match, Anuja Patil. I will now request Anuja to please join me here for a quick chat. Ladies and gentlemen, Anuja Patil, the Player of the Match, is here with us. Congratulations, Anuja. What a beautiful innings. What a brilliant and all-round performance by you today, Anuja. What will you express?
वैसे तो एक्सपीरियंस का यूज़ हो रहा था और मुझे पता था कि बाद में विकेट अच्छा हो जाएगा बैटिंग के लिए, जैसे ड्यू फैक्टर मैटर करेगा. और जैसे मैं बैटिंग में आई तो मुझे पता था कि बैट पे बॉल अच्छा आ रहा था, तो मैंने जैसे उसका यूज़ करा.
Absolutely. You led from the front with the bat and the ball. Your leadership skills were exceptional. Tell us more about that. How was it being a winning captain?
जैसे हमने टूर्नामेंट के पहले डिसाइड करा था कि थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट हम लोग डोमिनेट करने के लिए खेलेंगे और पूरा टूर्नामेंट हम लोग जीतने के लिए खेलेंगे. तो बस हमारा प्लान यही था और टीम ने और सपोर्ट स्टाफ ने मेरा काम इजी कर दिया. तो मुझे लीड करने में कोई वैसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई और हमें पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट मिलते गए.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, this was Anuja Patil, Player of the Match, who has also won 25,000 cash prize for a brilliant performance. Thank you so much, Anuja, and congratulations to you. Moving ahead, we have the next honors to do. The next honors are very special, and we will move to the Orange Cap honors. I will now request Riya Jain and Pooja Jain, owners of Solapur Smashers, to please present the orange cap, and the winner is Ishwari Saukar. Congratulations, Ishwari, 269 runs of Solapur Smashers. Ishwari Saukar with the orange cap and 1 lakh rupees of cash prize for her brilliant performances. Congratulations to you, Ishwari. And we now move ahead to the next honors, which are of the purple cap. I will now request Manpreet Uppal and Mudita Uppal, owners Pune Warriors, to do the honors. And the purple cap goes to Chinmay Borphale of Pune Warriors, who picked 13 wickets. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chinmay Borphale for all of us, purple cap holder, and 1 lakh rupees of cash prize. Congratulations to you, Chinmay. Super, super innings. Moving ahead, we come to the runner-up team, Solapur Smashers. Each one of them who played brilliantly, each one of them who just missed the dream by one step. We will be honoring them. The Solapur Smashers, Ishwari Avsare, Mukta Magre, Shalmali Kshatriya, Aarti Kedar, Gayatri Survase, Ishwari Saukar, Sakshi Wagmode, Sanika Patil, Navya Dubey, Achal Agarwal, Krishi Thakkar, Mayuri Thorat, Damini Bankar, Asmi Kulkarni, Samruddhi Banavne, Swanjali Mure, Sharayu Kulkarni, Nikita Singh, Ekta Nangude, and the captain, Tejal Hasabnis. That was Solapur Smashers, ladies and gentlemen. And may we please have the runner-up team captain, Tejal Hasabnis, with us for a quick chat. Hard luck to Solapur Smashers, but nonetheless, you played beautiful innings, and congratulations to each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Tejal Hasabnis, captain Solapur Smashers. Tejal, a hard day for you, hard luck. But what did today's match witness from your eyes?
Actually, it's a great exhibition for women's cricket, I feel, to have such kind of final. And I hope everyone will learn from it. And about my team, I'm super proud of them, the kind of effort they have put together throughout the tournament. Everyone is young. They have, like, even after the match, I felt bad for them because the kind of effort and amount of enthusiasm and energy they have given to me, I'm privileged to lead them.
Absolutely. How was your overall experience for the first ever edition of Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League?
First of all, I would like to thank Rohit Dada Pawar, his full team, and Maharashtra Cricket Association for providing us amazing platform. And mainly, yes, full ground staff, the kind of efforts they put together today to give us the final that we had. So it's amazing effort by them. And overall, everyone who is included and who has given their efforts and energy to us, I guess this kind of tournament will help women's cricketer to grow, and definitely this kind of matches and the kind of temperament all team players had shown under pressure. There were always different player of the match who came out and performed for respective teams. So I feel it's great for Maharashtra cricket moving forward, and I hope this will help Maharashtra cricket bring many more trophies home.
Which were some of the players that you think stood out from your team in this league?
It's very difficult to name them, actually. Everyone did their part. Special mention to our 6 players who didn't play. Special mention to Lakshmi, who played 4 matches. She came as a replacement. She did whatever did. Like she got wickets and then she had to sit out because she was replacement. So this kind of small external effort, our support staff, they have been very incredible. Each one of them were very supportive. Our owners, they backed us throughout, no matter what. Till the last ball, they were cheering. And yes, from my teammates, I feel everyone, both Ishwaris, Mukta, Damini, the way she kept, most of the time keepers go unnoticed, but the kind of effort like she put behind the wickets are both pacers, Swanjali and Sharayu. So it's belonged to them, like the kind of team I had, I really enjoyed playing with them.
Last and the final question, what have been the important learnings that you will be taking away from this league?
Each ball matter, each run matter, I guess. But nevertheless, I feel the kind of, we played 3 matches, so in each match conditions were different. So in T20 format, I feel it's about momentum, but as well as it's about adapting the wicket and conditions as well. So I guess everyone will learn from this.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the runner-up captain for us, Tejal Hasabnis. I will now request you to please go on the stage and receive your trophy from our Honorary Secretary, Advocate Kamlesh Pisar. Please be on stage for the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, Tejal Hasabnis, captain for the runners-up team, Solapur Smashers, with the runners-up trophy and 10 lakh rupees of a cash prize. Honorary Secretary Advocate Kamlesh Pisar doing the honors. Congratulations, Tejal and the entire Solapur Smashers team. It was a hard day for you today, but nonetheless, you did a beautiful innings. And here is your trophy you deserve. A big round of applause for the Solapur Smashers. A big round of applause for their efforts, for their undying spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, the Solapur Smashers up with their runners-up trophy for the first ever edition of Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League 2025. A team led by Tejal Hasabnis, the Solapur Smashers. Before moving ahead, the most important, the support staff and the head coach of Solapur Smashers. I would now request the head coach, Indrajit Kamtekar, to please be on stage and receive the honors. A team without a coach is just a field without cricket. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the head coach of Solapur Smashers, Mr. Indrajit Kamtekar. His dedication, passion, his efforts on the team has led him to be the head coach, and today he's received the honors for all his efforts. Congratulations to you. We now move ahead to the winning team. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I request the Pune Warrior team to come on stage. Ishita Khare, Shweta Mane, Shweta Sawant, Khushi Mulla, Pranjali Pise, Samriddhi Shinde, Samriddhi Dale, Shivanshi Kapoor, Chinmay Borphale, Utkarsha Kadam, Suhani Kahandal, Sania Gaude, Shraddha Girme, Akshaya Jadhav, Shalaka Kane, Abhilasha Patil, Neeti Agarwal, Simran Dabas, Rishita Saikar, Vaishnavi Shinde, Saumyalata Birazdar, Sejal Sutar, and the captain, Anuja Patil. I will request the captain, Anuja Patil, to please be with us for a quick chat. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the winning team for us, Pune Warriors. Each one of them gave their best innings to be here today and receive the winner's trophy as well. Match officials. Before we have a chat with the winning captain, I would like to make a very, very special and important announcement. I would request the match officials to please receive their honors. On-field umpire Anish Sahasrabuddhe, Ganesh Charhate, please come on the stage and receive your honors. TV umpire Sandeep Chavan. Ladies and gentlemen, Anish Sahasrabuddhe, Ganesh Charhate, on-field umpires. TV umpire Sandeep Chavan. The fourth umpire Bhagyashri Dange. And the match referee Nilima Zogrekar. Thank you so much to all of you. And may we please have the winning captain, Anuja Patil, here with us for a quick chat. Many, many, many congratulations to you, Anuja. I think I have said this to you time and again in the entire league, and today was the finale, and you have won the first ever Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. What is exactly going in your head right now?
वैसे तो मैं बोल नहीं सकती हूँ क्योंकि पूरा टूर्नामेंट ही हमने अच्छा खेला है और रिज़ल्ट हमने पहले ही सोचा था कि हम लोग जीतने के लिए खेलेंगे और अभी तो बहुत खुश हूँ मैं पता नहीं बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Oh, absolutely. I can understand your happiness, your pride. You're just beaming with it and your face glows with it. But I'll still like you to request, please run us through the entire journey since the first match till today's final win. How was it for you?
जैसे कि हमने प्रैक्टिस गेम में सारे मैचेस हार गए थे हम लोग, तो हमें ये था कि हम हमारे पास मतलब प्लेयर्स को और स्टाफ को हमारे ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो एक जीतने की भूख थी और हमें पता था कि एज ए टीम हम लोग खेलेंगे तो हम लोग पूरा थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट हम लोग अच्छा ही करेंगे और फर्स्ट मैच से लास्ट मैच तक हम लोग एज ए टीम खेल रहे, तो हमें रिजल्ट भी मिल गया उसकी वजह से क्योंकि एज ए टीम खेलना बहुत ज़रूरी था.
Absolutely. Congratulations to you. And may I please request you to please be on the stage and receive the winner's trophy from none other than the Honorary President, Rohit Dada Pawar, for winning the first ever Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League 2025. The winner's trophy and 20 lakhs cash prize to none other than the winning captain, Anuja Patil, Pune Warriors. And oh, we can hear the cheering from their team. Super happy, super excited and super proud of their captain, Anuja Patil, receiving the honors on behalf of the entire team. One last honors. Before we end, I would like to request हेड कोचचा ऑनर राहिलाय तेच मी बोलते ते. As we move to the end of the ceremony, there's this important thing we need to announce. The head coach of the winning team, Pune Warriors, Mandar Darvi. Congratulations to you for the relentless efforts, for your dedication. You truly deserve to be the head coach. of the winning team, Pune Warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. That is all for the presentation ceremony of the finale for the Adavi. Arey ma'am.
Absolutely brilliant visuals here. The first ever season of the Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. The girls in purple and gold. It's been a wonderful journey for them, unbeaten all through the season, 7 matches, 7 wins. And it's only fair that the best team, the strongest team this season, ends up with the title. Anuja Patil, the captain, has been absolutely brilliant all through the season. They have a whole host of fabulous performers with the ball, with the bat, and on the field. They held their nerve when it mattered most, and they came up clutch. It's an absolutely brilliant sight here. A wonderful performance, a wonderful platform given by the Maharashtra Cricket Association. It's days like this that as a young cricketer, a girl or a boy, that you grow up hoping that one day on a big stage you can get your team through. And on a big stage, these girls certainly got their team through by the barest of margins. A 1-run win for the Pune Warriors over the Solapur Smashers. And isn't she a proud captain? A captain who doesn't often express too much. You don't see a bright smile on her face. But today is one of those days. A day where she has captained her team to the ultimate glory. The journey that they set out to is now a reality. Have a look at that. That's a celebration we want to see. The champions of the first edition of the Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pune Warriors. It's been an absolute privilege bringing you these visuals and bringing you the WMPL over the last 10 days. The action doesn't stop. There's plenty as far as the Maharashtra Premier League is concerned. It's 1 in the morning. We're going to leave you with these wonderful visuals with the girls celebrating with a trophy in their hand. But there's plenty of cricket to come to you from the MCA. There's so much left. Oh, what is that for a celebration? That is new, and I absolutely love it. These youngsters, they bring so much energy and vibrancy to the game. And many of these young girls, who knows, many of them will go on to wearing WPL jerseys and maybe, just maybe, go the ultimate step further as well, and one day wear the blues of Team India. That's the ultimate dream for all these young girls, so many of them in their teens. This is just the start of a wonderful long career for so many of them. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's well late into the morning. We want to say a big thank you for staying tuned and for giving these girls all the support that they needed. A big thank you to the MCA for making this happen. And thank you to the entire broadcast crew for hanging in there right till the very end. Congratulations to the Pune Warriors one final time. We'll be back tomorrow morning as we get ready once again for another action-packed day of the Maharashtra Premier League. Good night. We'll see you soon. Back again at the MCA.